Hello friend, welcome to my channel Arundhati Speaks. In today's video, I want to talk about something personal. I left a regular and good job in SBI to freelance full time in 2017. This was a very difficult decision to take. I want to talk about it today. So, I had joined State Bank of India on my 21st birthday in 2010, December 2010 to be precise. Some people who have left corporate jobs to freelance or start their own businesses often talk badly about their employers, but in my case, it's the opposite. I had very supportive seniors and bosses. I got a lot of love from all of them, a lot of support on the way. And I also have a disability, so leaving a job was very difficult for me. It was difficult to get a job in the first place, and leaving a regular job was very difficult. So I want to talk about the decision and why I decided to leave the job. I joined State Bank of India, as I said, in December 2010. I have worked in multiple branches, head office also, I have worked there, and it was good, I would say. I had difficulty initially because I am visually impaired in some of the cases, but I was surprised that SBI not only arranged special training for the visually impaired employees, but they also gave us a copy of JAWS, which is a assistive technology software. JAWS stands for Job Access with Speech, and that software is used by the visually impaired to access computers, use the internet, and do anything else on the PC. I was given that software as well and the training as well to go with it. However, as I continued my studies as well as I took admission in a UK based institution for distance learning in creative writing, I started getting assignments for writing during that time. I started pitching myself also, and I also got some assignments from editors. And eventually, I thought maybe I could earn as much as I'm earning in my bank job through writing, and that would be so much fun, I think. So I thought at that time, and yes, it was indeed fun. I enjoyed writing in the evenings, and it was very hectic because I went to office during the daytime. I came back, I wrote. It was fun. It was good. My friends at SBI, my colleagues, my seniors, they also knew that I was writing. I used to show them what I had written, what had been published, and it was very much fun. But the ultimate reason why I left was that the job was there, but somehow I felt a disconnect. I thought I should do something else in place of just working at a bank, and that was the basic reason why I left in 2017. I thought I could do something different if I have more time on my hands, and in August of 2017, I left the job. It was very difficult, of course, because my parents were also very worried that what will happen to her later on. Writing might not pay the bills always, and that is true. Sometimes you don't make enough money from your craft, and that sometimes can be really difficult. And I could take the leap because at that time both of my parents were working, and I had saved up enough money to last me at least for a couple of years. Enough savings I had built up so that even if I don't earn for a few months, it's not a big problem. And eventually I left the job in 2017, and I started freelancing full time. At that time I sent more pictures than I sent before, and I did well for quite some time. However, I also feel that if you do something for pleasure and later on you make that a full time occupation, slowly the fun part of it goes away. And that is something I feel now, because now writing also seems like a chore at sometimes. Although I enjoy writing, but still sometimes it seems like a chore. If anyone is there who would like to leave a job to write or do anything else full time, I would suggest that you keep enough savings in your bank account, plus think properly about it, because it is a very difficult situation to be in. And if you have liabilities or dependents, how will you manage? You have to think about that. At least I did not have any dependents at that time, so it was easier for me in that way. I knew that if I had the savings, at least I could survive for a while. It is not like I'll be on the road, so that way it was somewhat easier. But still, a regular paycheck is something that keeps you tension free, I think. That is not there in my current work, whatever I do, the writing that I do, or video creation and whatever else I do. But it has been a fulfilling journey, I would say. I have enjoyed my years as a writer, and hope to continue to do some writing as well as some other things in the future. And when one of my bosses took the exit interview, he had asked me why you want to leave the job. And I had told him that sometimes we feel that what we want to do and what we are currently doing might not be a match. That is the reason I had left the banking sector. But I have all good things to talk about SBI, because they are very women friendly and disabled friendly. They have helped shape my discipline teamwork and everything I learned there, because it was my first job and I was very young. All the other people near me were older to me. It was a good experience working there, I would say. A great experience actually, not just good. And right now, if someone wants to quit a job, I think they should not only build savings but also they should have a plan B. I feel that is important. And more than that, trust your gut. That is very important. I felt when I was working there that I'm not enjoying the work very much. I'm not happy with what I'm doing because it felt very monotonous. That is the reason I thought of quitting. But it is not always a good decision for everyone, because many things could be different in the future. And because I have a disability, it is difficult for me to get other jobs as well. Like private jobs would be very difficult for me to work at because I need special keyboards or a larger monitor to see. I cannot read beyond a few centimeters. Those things are there. And I think overall, I would say think before you leap when you take the next steps to a freelancing or business career. That was what I wanted to say. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. This is Arundhati signing off.